What's going on, everybody? Today we got a package from Amazon and we're talking about cornbread. No, wait a minute. Not that. All right, well, I guess we're talking about pickles? No, that wasn't it. All right, what's going on, everybody? I started making a video to do the unboxing. Didn't have my mic set up right. One of them was dead, so here's a second unboxing of these. Got a package in Amazon. I've been waiting on them to come in, and I ordered the Cleats. I was wanting to show you. I ordered orange. You can order different colors. And see, they got the little metal cleats right there on the bottom and right there on the heel. Now, I ordered a extra large, and as you can see right here on the size, extra large. And the reason I ordered these, they don't cost a lot of money. They're not going to break the bank, but as you're doing RV transport and you get in some of these yards that are full of ice, like you've seen in some of my videos, I have almost busted my butt several times. And my wife, my sandwich maker, she got on to me because if I'd have fell on my back and damaged something and I'd been out of work for 2 or 3 weeks, a month, it's not really worth it. So she got on me and I went and got them. But I've gotten my boot, and I want to put these on, a boot and a shoe. This is a size 12D, and don't tell my sandwich maker I got my boot on the table. So all you gotta do is just slide it over it, just like that. Then you're gonna stretch it right over the boot. Get my finger out of it, just like that. So now this is a size 12, so that's how it fits. And then you can get around and walk around in the snow and the ice. You don't have to worry about falling. And then just simply peel it off. And then you're done with it. Throw it underneath your seat, side box, or whatever you want to put them at. And then a shoe. This is my old weed eating shoe. This is size 11. I'm wanting to show you different sizes. I wear different sizes in boots than I do shoes. So you slide them on just like that. A little bit easier to put on. Now remember, these are the extra largest. So you need to look on, see what size shoe you wear to get on the chart and everything. And I think C Farmer ordered, the ones I tried on him was the largest. And they pretty much fit the same as these. Because if you notice on the boot, this part right here, I was wanting it further back on the heel. And so I got the next size up, but it still didn't turn out that way. But there you go on the shoe. Dang, y'all lucky this ain't scratch the smell. This is an old shoe, and I use it for weed eating. But, and I'll try one more. Here is a 10. This is my wife's boot. Whew, sure glad this thing scratched a sniff. Alrighty, we're gonna put it on here. Just like this. That fits about perfect right there on the heel. Alrighty, this right here shows you this is a 10 boot. I showed you on an 11 shoe and a 12 boot. So, and this right here is an extra large. So, fits very, fits more than, you know, shoe, I guess, which is good. But what I'm gonna do with these, hopefully I don't need them no more this year, but I got them, but they're going in my truck, just in case. I'm tired of sliding around on it and when I'm gonna get hurt. And that's kind of crazy to wind up getting hurt over when you just throw these on. And it keeps you from busting your butt, breaking a tailbone, hurting your back, whatever. That is gonna be all for this video. I hope this video helps someone out there, because those jars can get icy quick, and a lot of places that you go get icy quick. So like, comment, share. If you're watching this and have not subscribed, hit the subscribe bell notification. Helps the channel out a lot. Thank each and every one of y'all for watching, and y'all are always great. Y'all support the channel and it makes me happy. So y'all be careful out there, y'all be safe, and I'll see you in the next one.